Do you want your students to be better learners? The tools you need are approaches to learning. So what are approaches to learning, or ATLs? They are a set of skills designed to help students become more confident, become more independent, and become more reflective. We all have students who miss deadlines constantly, or who keep forgetting to bring their school books or exercise books. We also have students who work really, really hard, but when it comes to exam time, they keep underperforming because of anxiety. So it is our responsibility to help our students cope with these situations. And this is precisely what ATL does for us. ATLs are not just extras within an IB education, they are one of the key principles. This connects with the aim to provide a holistic education where we are looking after the whole child. It is the responsibility of every single teacher to teach these ATL skills and to teach them explicitly, to talk about them, to practice them, and to give feedback to students so that they make progress. But the teaching of ATLs, it is not just the teacher's responsibility. Schools also have a responsibility to provide evidence of planning. In some schools, there's also the role of the ATL coordinator. But this will depend on each individual school setting. ATLs are organized into 5 main categories: thinking skills, research skills, communication skills, social skills, and self-management skills. As I mentioned earlier, ATLs are not extras or add-ons. The teaching of ATLs needs to be planned and needs to be embedded within a unit of learning. When we give students reflection time so that they can analyze how they've performed in a test, or when we build in thinking aloud, working out complex problems, or when we also give students the opportunity to collaborate with others, trying to reach an agreement, even though they may have different points of view, what we are doing goes far beyond the content delivery of our subject. We are also providing students with some really useful set of skills that will last well beyond their school days. And you can see how ATLs empower students for life and not just for school. Focusing on the teaching of ATLs could perhaps be the missing link in your teaching right now. So you may be asking, how am I going to do that on top of my workload? My advice, start small. You can try one skill during a lesson and then move on to other skills that might be incorporated into your unit of learning. Which ATL skill would you like me to focus on next? Write your suggestions in the comments below. Follow for more me moments. Let's grow, teach, and inspire together.